The robots are coming. They're taking our jobs, revolutionizing industries, and reshaping our future. Everywhere you look, headlines scream about AI's unstoppable march, sparking fear and uncertainty about what's next for human employment. But what if we told you that not every job is on the chopping block? What if there are entire professions, deeply rooted in the very essence of what makes us human, that AI simply cannot touch? Forget the doomsday predictions. Today we're diving deep into the mind-blowing truths about the jobs that AI can never replace. Get ready to discover the ultimate AI-proof careers. Yes, AI can process data at lightning speed, automate complex tasks, and even generate creative content. But there's a fundamental difference between mimicking and truly understanding, between executing and genuinely feeling. The future isn't about humans versus machines. It's about recognizing where our unique strengths shine brightest. We're talking about the irreplaceable human elements: creativity, empathy, critical thinking, and the profound ability to connect. These aren't just buzzwords. They are the bedrock of professions that will not only survive, but thrive in an AI-dominated world. Let's count them down, starting with number 10. AI can analyze patterns in speech and suggest coping mechanisms, but it can never truly empathize. A therapist builds a bond of trust, navigates the nuances of human emotion, and offers genuine understanding. This deep, personal connection is vital for healing and growth. They interpret unspoken cues, adapt their approach based on subtle shifts in mood, and provide comfort that transcends algorithms. The human touch in mental health support is not just preferred, it is absolutely essential for effective care. Precision? Yes, AI can assist. But when the unexpected happens mid-operation, when a split-second decision means life or death, a surgeon's intuition and adaptability are paramount. They combine years of training with an innate ability to react to unforeseen complications. The fine motor skills, the critical decision-making under immense pressure, and the ethical responsibility involved are far beyond any current or foreseeable AI. A surgeon's hands and mind work in concert, performing miracles that demand human judgment. AI can generate art, compose music, and write stories. But can it feel the raw emotion that drives a painter's brush, the passion behind a musician's melody, or the lived experience that fuels a writer's narrative? True originality stems from human experience. Art is about expressing the inexpressible, connecting souls through shared human emotion. AI can replicate styles, but it cannot originate the profound, often messy inspiration that defines groundbreaking creative work. While AI can deliver personalized learning modules, it cannot inspire, mentor, or understand the unique struggles of each student. A great teacher adapts their methods, motivates through personal connection, and fosters a love for learning. They build relationships, recognize potential, and guide students through complex social and emotional development. Education is not just about information transfer, it's about shaping minds and futures with genuine human interaction. AI can follow recipes and even optimize ingredient combinations, but the art of cooking involves taste, intuition, and the creative flair to adapt to ingredients, moods, and cultural nuances. A chef creates an experience, not just a meal. They understand the subtle balance of flavors, the presentation that delights the eye, and the emotional connection food brings. The ability to innovate, experiment, and evoke joy through culinary creations remains uniquely human. Social workers navigate incredibly complex human situations, often involving vulnerable individuals and intricate ethical dilemmas. Their work demands profound empathy, advocacy, and the ability to build trust in challenging circumstances. They solve problems that have no clear algorithmic solution, requiring deep understanding of human behavior, societal structures, and individual needs. The compassion and dedication required are inherently human. Negotiation, persuasion, and understanding the intricate web of human motivations are at the core of politics and diplomacy. AI can analyze data, but it cannot build consensus, inspire a nation, or navigate delicate international relations. These roles demand emotional intelligence, strategic thinking, and the ability to connect with diverse groups of people on a deeply human level. The art of leadership and compromise is far beyond artificial intelligence. Physical prowess, strategic thinking, and the sheer human will to push boundaries define athletes. Coaches, in turn, inspire, motivate, and understand the psychological and physical needs of their teams. This is about human drive. The grit, the determination, the ability to overcome adversity, and the profound connection between a coach and their team are all deeply human. AI can analyze performance, but it cannot instill the spirit of competition or the joy of victory. While AI can sift through legal documents and predict outcomes, the interpretation of law, the nuanced understanding of human testimony, and the application of justice require critical thinking and moral judgment. A lawyer argues, a judge decides. These professions demand an understanding of ethics, societal values, and the complexities of human behavior that no algorithm can replicate. The pursuit of justice is a fundamentally human endeavor. Vision, creativity, risk-taking, and resilience are the hallmarks of an entrepreneur. They see opportunities where others see obstacles, build something from nothing, and inspire teams to follow their vision. This is pure human ingenuity. AI can optimize business processes, but it cannot conceive the next groundbreaking idea, take the leap of faith, or navigate the unpredictable journey of building a new venture. Innovation is born from human curiosity and courage. So there you have it, 10 jobs that stand strong against the tide of AI advancement. These professions aren't just about tasks, they're about the profound human capacity for empathy, creativity, critical thought, and connection. The future isn't about being replaced, it's about leveraging our unique human strengths. What do you think? Are there other jobs you believe AI can never touch? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If you found this deep dive intriguing, make sure to hit that like button. And for more mind-blowing truths and essential insights into our rapidly changing world, subscribe to Top 10 Info Why. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.